is at the North Tower at Harrah's in Laughlin, Nevada. Damn, and they locked him too. All right, 2. Okay, I'm stupid. Are they just... Which floors are... Oh, we can go up to 10. I'm dumb here. I'm stupid. Look at these cameras. They have one pointing down and one pointing straight forward. Get a great... I'm sure that gets a great view of the back wall. Here's a little fun fact for you. Oh, it went away. Just kidding. I like that they're showing like interesting things instead of just boring ads, like news and fun facts. All right, at 10, down to the casino. Rest in peace, Dover, whatever these are. Anyway, that will be it.